students. Today we are in our second class of maths. Okay. So in second class we are going to discuss about Indian system of numeration, international system of numeration and uses of comma. ठीक है, तो आइए देखते हैं इंडियन सिस्टम एंड इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में कॉमा कैसे दिया जाता है एंड उसका नंबर नेम्स कैसे लिखा जाता है। ठीक है, आइए देखिए। पहले ऑलरेडी वी नो हाउ टू राइट इंडियन सिस्टम। वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाख, 10 लाख, करोड़, 10 करोड़। ओके, देखिए यहाँ में एक नंबर मैंने दिया है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इसको अभी यहाँ पे प्लॉट करते हैं। देखिए, फर्स्ट वी नीड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वन, मीन्स वंस पोजीशन, ट्राई टू पुट इट 2 9 5 1 0 8 0 5, मीन्स where we are going to read then 5 करोड़, 10 लाख पोजीशन 0 है, सो इसको छोड़ देते हैं। 5 करोड़, 8 लाख, 1592। All of you, I expect you know the spelling of 1000 and 100. So write this one in words. Okay. Now this is new thing for us, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम। ठीक है, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के लिए कैसे लिखा जाता है नाउ उसके देखिए। वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000। अभी देखिए यहाँ तक सेम ही है 10,000 तक। नेक्स्ट, इन आवर इंडियन सिस्टम लाख, and in international system this is 100,000. This H means 100,000. Next, in the place of 10 lakh, this is M for million. In the place of crore, TM, M for million, TM for 10 million. M stands for million and T M for 10 million. Okay, so what is the difference? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This position same. Difference starts from lakh. In the place of lakh, international system uses 100,000. Okay. Now for example, देखिए, same example 50801592, ये सबको यहाँ में लिखिए 29510,805. Remember one thing, always starts from the ones position, not from this position. Okay, so now read it. What is this? Million, 10 million. What is this? 50. So 50 million. Now this one, 801,592. We used to read international system like that. 50 million, 801,592. Clear? So now what about comma? In your book, page number 10, everything is here. In your book, page number 10, uses of comma. In Indian system, we use comma like that. First, we used to take 3 numbers, 3 digits, ones, tens, 100. Then 2 digit, then again 1 comma, then again 2 digit, 1 comma, again 2 digit, like that. Okay, तो सिस्टम क्या है, पहले 3 digit, ones, tens, 100, then 2, then again 2, like that. In international system, process is like all time 3 3. Okay, 2 9 5 3, again 1 0 8 3, like that. Okay, always 3 3 numbers will come and you have to place comma after 3 digit, like that. So क्या सीखा है, in Indian system first 3 digit, then 2, again 2, again 2, like that. In international system always 3. Okay, now look at this question. How many lakh make a million? This question I have checked from page number 10 in your book. Okay, how many lakh make a million? Answer is 10 lakh. How? See here, million starts from here and think this is international Indian, then 10,000, next lakh, and this is 10 lakh. How many lakh make a million? How much? 10 lakh make a million. See here, million, here 10,000, 100,000, million, in lakh 10,000, lakh 10 lakh. So in the place of 10 lakh, million comes. So 10 lakh makes 1 million. Next question, how many millions make a crore? In the place of 10 million, crores come. So 10 million makes 1 crore. Listen again. How many lakh make a million? Answer is 10 lakh. How many millions make a crore? Answer is 10 million. Okay. Now this is very important. What is 1 billion? 1 billion means 1000 million. This is a huge number. 1 billion means 1000 million. 1 million means 10 lakh. 10 into 1000 is 1 billion. Okay. Now in our exercise 1.1, question is 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000. Okay. 1 lakh equal to how much? How many zero? 1 2 3 4 5 0. Put it. 50 equal to 10,000. Okay. First 1000. So we can write this one like that. How? This is 100 means 10 into 10 and this is 1000. Okay. So 10 1000. So your answer is 10. Clear? So next question, 1 million equal to dash 100,000. First write 1 million. 1 million means how many zero? 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. Place comma after 3 digit in international system. Again after 3 digit. Okay, this is 1 million. Now 100,000. कितना 100,000 है? 10 into 100 into 1000. We can write like that. Means your answer is 10, 100, 1000. Okay. In question number 2, what we have to do? Place comma correctly and write the numerals. This is very easy. Do question number 3. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system. Okay, this is an example. Place comma according to Indian system means first after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, again after 2 digit. Okay, now read it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. Okay, so answer is 8 crore 79 lakh 59,760. This is the answer. Now look at the international system. Write this one. 78 921092. First place comma in international system. We need to place comma after 3 digit. Okay. Again after 3 digit. Okay. Clear? Now read it. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now 100,000. Million, 10 million. So your answer is 78 what? Million. Place comma. What next? 921. 921. What? 1000. This is the important thing. Don't forget about it. Here we need to write 1000. Next 92. So answer is 78,921,092 means 92. Okay, this is your answer. Clear? So what we have learned today? Indian system, international system, how to place comma in Indian system, how to place comma in international system, how to write Indian system, how to write international system. Okay, I hope यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. According to this video, try to solve exercise 1.1. If not possible, then ask me. I'll do all of your exercise. Okay, that's all for this class. Thank you.